This is a review of AKY-710S Bike Camera. It is 4K Ultra HD, ultra light, high frame rate, 60 frames per second, IP66 waterproof. You can charge and go. There is an application you can use on your phone. 5.5 hours, long lasting, and quick dismantle. Let's open it. User manual. Here is the camera. It's 4K Ultra HD. You see the lens. It is sealed well with plastic. It's because it's waterproof. USB-C and SD card inside. It has 64 gigabytes. Let's put it back. And then let's close this area. Here is the button to activate it. Let's look at the other parts. USB-A to USB-C cable. These are for the installation. There are different types of attachments. This is for reset button. These are also installation tools. Let's go ahead and test it outside and see how it's going to record it. I will go ahead and mantle it, all of them. 2 screws there. And we will use this. And for the other one, make sure it is tight. And this is ready. And we'll go ahead and put this over here. Okay, it is tight right now. I covered this area because of the serial number. I will put it right there. Again, it's supposed to be tight. Here's the second one. Now it's tight. And I will put this right here. Now it's good and secure. We're gonna put this on bicycle. Let's unscrew this. See, it is free right now. The last thing we need to do is we're gonna put this over here and then tighten it however you like. Now it is secured and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the bike. I was gonna put it on the bike, but I decided to put it on the scooter. And we're gonna go ahead and see how it's gonna record. If you wanna enable Wi-Fi connection, first of all, you need to press it and hold, then it's gonna be on, and then press it twice, then the Wi-Fi is gonna be enabled. Then you can see the video now. And let's make it full screen. It is upside down right now. Let's go back and go to camera settings and loop recording, image rotation. Now it's good. Collision sensing, parking monitoring, time-lapse recording, anti-flicker, video resolution. Look at that, it has so many options. I'm just gonna go for the maximum one. And when I'm done with recording, I will show it to you now. It's not upside down. Let's go for a walk. And now it started recording. And it is also sensing the collision. This is how easy you can take it out. See? Let's see the video quality. Let's go for a walk. And now it started recording. And it is also sensing the collision.